Hi, today we are going to see how to create a hanging indent in Google Doc. First of all, go to a browser. I am using Google Chrome, and in the search bar type docs.google.com. After the interface has come, you have to create the document you want to do hanging indent. So this is the demo, and here you have to select the content you want to format. Then click format and align an indent, then indentation option. Here you have to select special indent to hanging and click on apply. Then you can see that the content became hanging indent. If you like the video, give the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.